folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're going to go for a little snowy bash little session with the Gorgon two-wheel drive monster truck. I've never driven it in the snow, never really played around with it much. This is on the stock tire, stock gearing, stock everything, 2S LiPo, rear-wheel drive monster truck. A little bit more snow on the driveway than I remembered from earlier today. Yeah, I do have paddles to try, but it'd be really fun if it was skiffed down more. Paddles. Ready to shove a little path for it. Let's see if we can stay on the circuit before I swap tires for the paddles. It's a narrow track. Very traction limited. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah! Successful circuit. Paddles. Time for paddles, need more traction. All right, take two on the Gorgon now with rear-wheel drive paddles. These are from when I had my old Rustler 4x4, but I brought two of the four and I got them wrong. I forgot there's left and right, so only one of them has the paddles going the right direction, but it'll still be a lot better than the bulb monster truck tires were. It still gets stuck. To keep wheel speed up, I can totally carve a pretty good trail like
she's a momentum machine.
Let me see the open diffiness of it too. Come on. Yes. Oh.
Soft impact.
Oh, I was lined up and then I goosed it and it got offline. It's all right. Let me get out. Oh, it is too narrow. I just want to hit it once and then you can.
Yeah.
Ah. Turn! I made it. That's as good as it gets.
Yep.
Yeah. I made it.
There's very, not a lot of steering angle, eh? Very, not a lot of steering angle.
That was a good one. Yeah, that was a good one. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. There you go, nice.
Oh, that was a good run.
Nice. Just full pin to the,
Yep,
just
hold
full
it.
wood the whole time.
I was pinned and full steering angle. Try this.
Or can I get it to move on?
No, it's way too soft. One stiff it out.
Yeah. Nope. I think the little four-wheel drive Grom will do good.
Yeah,
The little Typhon Grom with it with
now
the
that it's kind
low
of beat
snow.
down, I think it'll be all right.
Yeah.
We'll get stuck in it.
That's low voltage now.